In this video, I will be showing you how to create group chat on Snapchat. Create a group on Snapchat and invite everyone you want to join it if you want to speak with several people at once. After that, you can have discussions in groups and tell everyone about yourself. Here's how to do that. Go to your profile and then tap this gear icon or settings, scroll down and look for support. Now, under support, you have to click I need help, which is this one here. Now, once you tap this one, it will take you here to Snapchat support, and all you have to do is to search for this group chat or Snapchat group chat. Now, you need to enter so that you can see the following options and how to make a group chat on Snapchat. So here you can see the option or way on how to create group chats on Snapchat. Click the first one here. Now you have to read the instructions, and once you understood, you can now go back to your Snapchat profile. So how to do that is simply as click the new chat here, this paper with pencil icon. And then once you click this one, it says new chat. So all you have to do is to tap the people or the person on your friends list if you want them to be part of your group chat. So just click the name. Let's just, for example, I'm going to choose these three people first. Now you can edit the name group by tapping the pencil icon at the top left corner. So let's just say I'm going to change that into Team 101. Then click the check here. In order to start everything, you can type a message. Let's just say, or just emoji. It's up to you. Now, if you're going to hold this message, tap and hold this message, you can probably see the person who viewed your message. And also, when you long press this one, you can see here save in chat, copy, delete, chat reply, snap reply, and create your avatar. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.